Okay, you're going to dine in the Continental style?
Yes.
Pick up the knife and fork, please. Index fingers in place. And we are cutting. That's okay. And we're cutting. Have the knife straight up, please. Yes. Yes, we're cutting. We're finished cutting that piece. Rest the wrist and pivot. Beautiful. Let's cut again. Now that fork needs to be up where the item would be.
Right here.
Okay, and so the knife would be with it as well. Okay, you're finished cutting that piece. Rest the wrist and pivot. Now let's have something soft. Squash, mashed potato, whatever, anything is soft. Let's place it on the back of the fork because you're dining formally. Lift the fork a bit. Lift the fork, the handle of the fork. Lift your hand.
Lift my hand? Okay.
Yes, yes. And scoop it to the back. Rest that wrist and pivot. Let's do that again. We're getting something soft. Scoop it onto the back of the fork. Rest that wrist and pivot. All right. Now, I'd like you to place some rice on the back of the fork. You have to apply pressure to push the grains of the rice through the tines for it to stick. Okay? Well, let's go, please. And we're scooping to the fork. Nope. We're placing it. Yes. It's just like, and apply pressure and rest. And let's do that again. I'm going to go closely. Let's scoop it to the fork. Apply pressure. You're pushing it through the tines. And okay, great.